Welcome. InfoNomi is a OnePlus 15, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, before I get started, I do want to quickly mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. Now, with that being said, most likely if you also have a Google account, which you probably do, your device will become FRP locked. And to explain what that is, after the reset is finished, the one that you did to remove a screen lock, your device will force you, while you're going through the setup process, to verify either the screen lock, which you reset the device because you didn't know it. So that's one way you can verify it. The second way we could verify it using the Google account. And if you don't know the Google account either, well, then you won't be able to finish up the setup. And therefore you will be stuck in it, which kind of defeats the purpose of a smartphone that can't do anything smart other than give you a setup screen. So in simple terms, your phone basically becomes a brick. So just be kind of wary of that before you go any further. And normally before, there were ways around it to kind of like bypass this and then remove this kind of protection, but since like Android 15, yeah, that has become kind of a foreign concept, at least at home. You still possibly could unlock your device by going to like some GSM centers, the ones that sell used phones and all that stuff. They sometimes, some of them might offer this kind of services, so you can just go and ask if you really need it, but at home for free, that's no longer a case. So to get started, let's lock our device. And you can see I do have a pattern. So to start off, we're gonna need to turn off our device, and I believe it's gonna be power button or power and volume up. Okay, it looks like it's power volume up. Yep, there we go. So when you press power volume up, it brings up your boot options, and we're just gonna swipe down to turn off the device. Give it a moment, you will feel a vibration. When the phone vibrates, that means that it turned off. When that happens, hold power button and volume down at the same time. When you see the OnePlus logo, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume down. Now you can barely see, but there is other languages right here, so let me just adjust the brightness right here so I can just overblow the shit out of this image. And you can now see other languages. So from here we're gonna select the language that we want to use, which for me will be English. And next we're gonna select format data. Now you can see it tells me format data, please enter verification code. Now the verification code you need to enter is the one right here. So it's not related to your screen lock whatsoever. I had a pattern. This is obviously like a 4-digit PIN that you need to put in, and all you need to do is just type in whatever you see right here. Just know every time you click on the format data, this code changes, as you can see. So anyway, we're gonna put 7269, nice, and we're just gonna confirm it by selecting right here format. As you can see, it gets us a message at the bottom, data formatted. We're gonna click on OK, and this will now reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. Now this process will take about a minute or so to finish up. Should be very quick. And once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And you can see this was relatively quick. So the reset is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.